Hello everyone. I hope you will be fit and fine. And today topic I'm starting with the database functions continue and with the join. So in function previous class we have done all functions which is aggregate functions and single row functions, multi-row functions, in string functions, numeric function. So first today I'll discuss about the date and time function, join functions, and so let us quick start. So first we'll continue with the date functions. So yesterday we have given some demo of this, but today I am giving you practical. Sys date, cut date, or date and functions, month, year, day name, date of month, all these. So see, first power we have already discussed, it raise power of the given value, and if number in a negative, it show the negative number, and see here minus, it will show in a negative numbers. Round also we have discussed, round function we rounded the value, and truncate also we have discussed, sign function we have discussed, negative and positive values, and sqrt also we have discussed, sqrt with the argument value we have to put here. Mode also we have discussed, length function we already discussed. So ascii and concat. See first it was left for practical, today I am showing you practical. So see here with the ascii value, select, I want to show the sky value of this. See here, Aman is written here. So sky value will not show of all the given characters. Only it will show the sky value of first characters of given string. See here. So 65. If I am changing that name, N with the Naman. So what happens? First characters from given string will be changed. See, 78 of ASCII code of N. So ASCII code display the code of particular character that depends upon the it is a small or capital. Small treated a different character, different number of ASCII, or capital treated as a different character, different number in a ASCII. So capital start with the 65. So A is a 65. See here, B is a 65, 66, and C continue till Z. And here also I can show you a small a. I am writing small a here. See, 97 will be there. 97. So beginning character from A, that is a 97. You have to continue with the Z. So try these small practical which convert ASCII to any character string to ASCII, ASCII code to string. So I am writing here, see, same. Char. I am giving here 65. So it will display A. You can convert both in a character or as well as ASCII. See, A is a string as a character A. Its ASCII value is a 65. I have written here select char 65. Any number you can search from here. 69. So it will display the capital of that ASCII code of character. See here E. So if you want to find the numeric also, I am writing here numeric number 0 to 9. I am writing here 43. So plus operator here. So char will display 43 as a plus. So different mathematical operators or different symbols from a keyboard which is pasted upon a keyboard. These can be displayed by using ASCII code as well as characters of printer that can be printed. And here concatenate we have already done. Concatenate, I am giving one demo also here. See here concatenation, select concat MySQL. So I have written this. See here, this is a different string, this is a different screen, this is a different string. So it will combine together and display together. See here. So it is a concatenated with a single. So use of concat. So in str we have already done, and lowercase, uppercase we have already done. In str we have done. See here. Now trim, r trim, l trim, trim we have already done. What is the use of it? It remove the space from l trim left side, r trim right side, and trim will remove both the sides. See here. This is an example of trim. Space is here, in a last also space there. So it will remove a space from beginning or ending. It will display string after removing a space. See here cut date. Now we are doing practical of date. Select cut date. Current date. What is it is a previous date showing in this system. So it is showing 29/4 to the first year, month and date. System is not updated, showing a previous date. That's why it is showing a previous date, yesterday date. And now also you can use. Now what is the use of now? It will show date and time too. See here, this is a date, previous date showing, and this is a time. Time is also, it is wrong. System is not updated with the date and time. So that's why whatever your system have, that will display. Now sys date also select. Sys date, system date will be displayed. See here, same date and same previous one, which is a not updated. That's why it is showing a previous date. And select, I am writing here month. the month date I have not mentioned, that why it is showing a error. It is a empty. So I have to put that value in a bracket. See here, this is a 4 month. So always you have to put in a double quotes. Date should be always enclosed in a double quotes and separated with the forward slash or hyphen. So date, sys date we have done. And next, date of week. You can write date of week. Day of week also. Date of year will show. Select. Day of week. This is a old date given and changing it. So might be it will show error because a single quote is given here. Only some system it apply with the double quotation and single quotation, and it is applying here. See here, day of week, which is a 7. This is a third week. It will show day of week. So I am changing with the current. Select. I am writing here this month 4 30. I am giving today current. So see here, it will display 5th week. So also you can display day. Day also, day of. If I write day name, see. So these small practical you can do. These are not difficult. You can do in your mobile. You can laptop, desktop. So day of year will display year. Only year will display, and see here, any year you can display. Now these commands you have to try. I am giving you practical here. See here, select round. This I have given. It will round it the value. Length will display length of the. So this is not working. My SQL have a problem. Sometimes it. I'm starting again. So all these you can try at home. I'll give you in a assignment. So in STR that is clear, substring is a clear, trim is a clear, month is a clear. All these. If you have any doubt, you can text me. So now topic MySQL and SQL joining. Multiple table can be displayed with the join. See here, keys are clear. For before joining, I am revising all these keys. What is keys? Keys are the important part of the relationship in a database and vital part of the structure of table. They help enforce referential integrity. What is referential integrity? Which cannot be repeated and help integrate the relationship between the table. There are four main type of keys which are used in a relation while you are making a relation between more than one table. First, candidate key, primary key, alternate key, foreign key. These key can be used with the joining. So see here, primary key that you know, which is a uniquely identify in a table, a column or set of column that uniquely identify or row within a table is called primary key. So what is candidate key? Candidate key are set of fields, columns with the unique value. It is also just like a primary key. It can be become a primary key also. Instead of primary key, if there no chance of become a primary key, candidate key become a primary key. So it is just like a primary key in the relation that are eligible to act as a primary key. So alternate key, what is alternate key? Alternate key which is not a primary key, other key. See, I am giving an example of your record, admission number, that is your primary key, right? Your name, your class, date of birth, father name, mother name, your address, telephone number, all related to information. These all columns are called alternate key. So here, which is not a primary key, other keys are called alternate key. Out of the candidate key, after selecting a key, primary key, the remaining, which I talk about the, which is admission number, that is the primary key in your record, and other key, remaining keys are called alternate key. So here, foreign key. See, what is foreign key? Let's see, first table and second table. First table, you have a permanent record, your admission number, your name, date of birth, father name, all related to your address, telephone number. See, some rare chance to change address and telephone number, but all about your records are permanent. Your name, father name, mother name, date of birth, these are permanent record in a first table. Second table, you have also another admission number there, but there your first term, second term, all the annual, all marks will be updatable. So here what does it? In a first table, which is a primary key admission number, second table also it is primary key, but both relation we are making, its value will be derived from a first table, which is a primary key admission. So foreign key value, it's not its own value, but its value derived from a first table, previous table, master table, right? So foreign key, primary key of a table behaves as a foreign key or another table. In other words, foreign key is a column or a combination of column. It is also combination of columns that is used to establish link between a two tables, first table and second table, parent table or child table. Parent table, whichever your permanent record, just I explain about the your admission number, other records in that table, which is a not changeable value, and other table which can be updatable. In a second table, which is just like a primary key, but its value will be derived from a parent table. So that is called foreign key. So see here, table student is there. So here admission number, it is a primary key. See here, this column is become a primary key, and these all are alternate key otherwise. So these all columns are related to this column. These all columns are related to this column, which is a primary key. So we can, this is a primary key and these all keys are called alternate key. And tuple, that you know, tuple row record. Name is the same as a row and record. Tuples, don't confuse what is tuples. Tuple is a row complete record, that is called tuple. Domain means possible value selection R A B C D, possible value, which is a possible value which can be as a domain you can give. So that is a domain name. And degree, what is degree? A number of column in a relation. See previous, this number of columns in a relation, which is relation with the admission number. See admission number, name with relate to this, class is a related to this, and this other father name is also related to this, and section is also related to this, mobile number is also related to the, and percentage is also related. So all are in a relation, that is called candidate key. So degree, number of columns are in a relation, that is called degree. And cardinality means number of rows in a records. How many rows in a record? Just I have given an example of that. First table and second table, all the records are in a relation. First table, that is a parent table, which you have all permanent record. Second table, that is about your exam details, all the related to first table. So all records are in a relation, that is called cardinality, which is a number of rows in a relation. So candidate key, in the above table, admission number and mobile number unique value. So unique mobile number can become a candidate key. Therefore admission number and mobile number are candidate key. So each and every student, each and every employee, it has a mobile number is a uniquely defined. So it can also become a primary key. So primary key value cannot be repeated. So primary key out of the admission number, mobile number, one set admission as the primary key. And alternate key, what is alternate? Other keys, mobile number is the alternate. If primary key become a admission number, so mobile number will be alternate key. Otherwise it is a candidate key, it can become a primary key also. So non-key attributes in the table, student name, class, section, father name, percentage, these all are called degree. Sorry, alternate key. So these are all in a relation with the primary key, which is a admission number. So that is called degree. One table can have only one primary key. Remember, you have to remember one thing. Primary key can be created only one in a table, and foreign key can be create more than one. This you have to remember. Primary key in a one table, only one primary key can be allowed, and foreign key can be create more than one. So here Cartesian product, this is a very important. So the Cartesian product of the two relation, see two relation, product of two relation is the Cartesian product of a tuple record row belongs to the both the tables, which belongs to the both the tables. So that is called Cartesian product. One table and another table both are related to each other, that is called Cartesian of product also. And degree of a new relation, degree of new relation is the sum of the degree of both the relation. See here, cardinality of a new relation is the product of the cardinality of the both the relation. Cardinality, which is a row in a relation, degree column in a relation. So this is a very important. Cartesian product means joining more than table which belongs to each other. So that is called Cartesian product. See here, two tables are here. One is a teacher table, another is a department table. So in this, teacher number is a primary key, and here department number is a foreign key. Here it is a foreign key. See here. It can become a foreign key. Its value deriving from here. This can also, you can write, this can be also derived here. So here example, T number, this is a primary key, and T name and department number. So in this department table, department number, which value is a deriving from this table, and department name is there. So these tables are in a relation. It is called Cartesian product. So both table which have a relation to each other, so it is called Cartesian product. See how to display both the tables value. Cartesian product of the two tables would be performed as, how to display both the tables value, we have to make in a relation. How to do? See here, select teacher. I am selecting teacher table, dot star. What is the dot? From this table I am selecting all. What is the use of asterisk? All. If I am talking about the, I have to display all the records from a teacher table. What I have to do? Select asterisk from teacher. So that same you have to use here. Select is a keyword. Teacher is a table name. Dot asterisk means it will display all the records from a teacher table. Comma, another table which is a department table. Dot asterisk. From this table it will select all the records. See, we have given a query here to connect. We are connecting one table, comma, another table from. What is from? It is a clause from clause. After from, we have to mention a table name. From teacher, comma, department. More than two table also you can write by separating with the comma. Here you have to write a more than one table as a displaying command with the link. Here after from you have to mention from teacher comma department. I am selecting all the value from this table, and from this table I am selecting all the values. So here it is selecting. So result in a table will be 12 row 5 columns. So it will display both the values. This is called Cartesian product. So joining of table, more than one table can be joined with the table. See, there is a, it is displaying T number from teacher table, T name from teacher table. Here teacher dot department. This is a joining with the another table. This, both the columns are in a relation. See here, teacher from department number, from teacher table it is a department number, which is joining to the department with the department number. So this is called joining. This is called Cartesian product with the joining with the two tables. From this table it is showing a department. These values from a teacher table, and these values are from a department table. So see here, join. A join is a query that combines row from a two or more table. You can display two or more tables in join. In join query, more than one table name is a listed in the from clause. After from you have to mention, you have to list the table name. It actually perform a Cartesian product. It actually perform a Cartesian product of the row of the two table. So both table will be joining and it will display the value. Tables in a temporary label given among the with the table name is a from clause of a select statement. Here select T name, T number, T name, comma. See here. No name not given here, teacher table name not given. I am selecting teacher number and T name from teacher table, comma D from department, D dot department number, comma department name. This is another table. D is a LIC's name, temporary name given to the department. After from, you have to mention teacher T. So here T is a missing. T dot T number T name, comma D dot D number D name. You have to write. After from, you have to mention which you are giving. Just like your name written in a school, that is a different. Your nickname at home, that is a different. Just like this is a original table which is created in a database. Here it is a temporary name, LIC's name given to that table, short name. You can use after from, you have to use after space teacher T, comma department D. Where T dot department number, see here, where T dot department number equal D dot department. Both the value teacher from teacher table department number and department table D number will be matched and it will select the values. So there are some type of join we'll explain here. First, equijoin. What is equijoin? The join in the two columns are compared for equality. These are compared for equality, which previous example we have done, that is a equality. All the columns are included in the result. So that is called equijoin. Another is a non-equijoin. So the join in which columns are compared for less than equal, greater than equal. These can be compared. That is called equijoin. And another is a natural join. So the internally it is the same as a equijoin. It is just like a equijoin. But this case, one of the two identical columns are removed from the result. Two identical columns can be removed from here. And another is a self join. A join with the itself is called self join. Outer join, it select all the rows that satisfy with the join condition and also those rows from the one table for a which no rows satisfy with the another table. So these are types of join and we'll do in a practical. So I hope you will understand this. Stay fit and fine at home. Thank you. Have a great day.